Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Alright, right now I want to go ahead and open this case up that I bought for the Samsung Galaxy A15 5G. Now I got this one on Amazon. The price on this one, regular price was $9.99. I think I got it on sale for $6.99, so $7. And I like this one because it's, translucent, and you can see, the beautiful back that it has here. It's really nice. This is a really nice smooth cover in the back. You kind of want to expose it because it is beautiful. So let's go ahead and open this up. All right, here we go. I'm a fan of clear cases because they display the vibrance of the device. This one actually comes with a screen protector, so that's awesome. I always try to find a case that comes with a screen protector so I don't have to buy them separately, so that's really good. And I'll put the link in the description down below, so if you guys want to buy this one, I'll give you the link. Now, it's very simple. It's just a snap-on case, and it feels really nice. It's kind of got it's like matte on the side, so it's got a good grip. And then it's got the glass in the, the clear plastic glass in the back. So let's go ahead and snap this on and see how it comes. There you go. All right, wow, look at that. Now this is magnetic, so it will stick to a magnet. So if you have a magnetic car charger, this is going to work perfectly. Wow, this is beautiful. And check that out, like when I move it, around a little bit, you see how the colors alternate a little bit? Wow, that's cool. Shows off the beautiful back, and that's why I love these clear cases. So let's see. Everything seems to be fitting perfectly, and it's definitely going to give you drop protection. So it is raised, so that's awesome. So if it drops straight down, it's not going to shatter. Really cool stuff. All right, guys, so if you guys like this case, just take a look down at the description, show you where you can buy it. I'm digging it, and it feels really good. Yeah, I like it a lot. All right, guys, so tell me what you think.